Hi guys, Miss Martin here. Today we are going to use a few supplies to test which of these substances here react with an acid like vinegar. To help us with this, we're also going to use water to show what these look like without an acid mixed together and what they look like with the vinegar, and we're going to look for some reactions, okay? So during this video, I'm going to ask you guys a question. I'll be pausing the video so you can answer it on Edpuzzle. So, first order of business. We're going to start with water, and we're going to mix that together with baking soda. So, I'm going to take a straw, take a little drop of water, put it right there, and then I'm going to take the baking soda. What I'm doing is I'm pushing down on the top of the straw. Okay, and then, so far, no reaction. I'm gonna stir that together. Just kind of makes a cloudy white liquid, okay? Next, I am going to try the same thing with the baking soda and with the vinegar. First, put a drop of vinegar down. Just like that. And if you notice, I'm throwing away my straws at each test so that we get a good reaction, okay? And again with the baking soda. Let's see what happens. Okay, immediately you see it starts to bubble up, it starts to change. We see little gas bubbles coming off. Okay, next substance we're going to try is water with this purple liquid that I made. It's basically just black beans and water. So here's our purple liquid. This is what it looks like when it's done sitting. So first, just like last time, we're going to take the water. This shows what it looks like mixed together with a non-acid, so you can compare the two. Water and purple liquid. And then purple liquid. So you can see, just kind of makes it a little bit more diluted. It's still purplish color. Nothing big changed. But let's see what happens when we mix it with the vinegar, which is our acid. Okay, there's our drop of vinegar. And here's our purple liquid. Whoa, look at that. It actually turned it red. So compare, that's the purple with the water. This is vinegar with the purple liquid. Very interesting, turned red. Next, we're gonna try something called baking powder. First with the water. Doesn't like to stay on the square, does it? Baking powder. Let's show what that does. Okay, kind of makes another little cloudy liquid. I don't see any little bit of bubbles, not a lot though. Just a lot in there. Okay, next with the vinegar. So there's a drop of vinegar. And baking powder. Okay, so that one does fizz. So, what I learned, the one that has the biggest reaction, is the purple liquid. Turns red when it's mixed with an acid. And the baking soda fizzes when it's mixed with the vinegar. So I have two other test substances I'm going to try. We're going to see which one of these is an acid or not. So this is just straight up mustard. This is test substance 1. And I think I am going to try the purple liquid with this mustard and see what happens. Okay. Oh, look at that. It actually, when it's mixed together, it becomes that reddish color. So this shows me that there is some acid mixed in this mustard. And if we were to check the back of the ingredients, one of the first ingredients you see right there is water and distilled white vinegar. So that proves that we can use this purple liquid, the liquid made from beans and water, to test, and we get a reaction. Okay? Next one we're going to try is some salt. Let's see if salt has any acid in it. This time, let's try the baking soda. Okay, I just mixed the salt and the baking soda together. I do not see it changing color. I do not see any sort of reaction. So that tells me that the salt is not an acid like the mustard. Okay, thank you guys for joining me for this experiment today. Make sure you do your best, double check the video, and answer the questions to the best of your ability.